Sometimes you may have posted a ghost post on Threads. That means it'll be deleted after 24 hours. It's like a WhatsApp status or Instagram story. If you want to archive the ghost post, you can do that. In this video, we'll be showing you how to archive a ghost post on Threads. For this, open the Threads application. After that, down here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo and above you can see your profile photo. Next to that, you can see ghost posts. Click on this post and when you're clicking on that, here you can see every ghost post. And if you want to archive any ghost post, next to that ghost post, here you can see a button like this. Just click on these three dots. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the archive option. Click on archive. When you're clicking on that, that post will be moved to the archive section. And after that, now here you cannot see that ghost post. And if you want to see it again, above you can see two lines. Click on these two lines and select archive. When you're clicking on that, here you can see that post. So, this way you can easily archive ghost posts on Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.